Introducing the Magic Lock safety device. This pair comes with unexpected magic if using your LP cooking gas. The Z Plus plug is specially designed to detect any gas leakage and quickly combats your loss by stopping the leakage. Using a suction effect, it has a metal ball installed inside its passage. Whenever gas flow goes the unexpected direction, the metal ball doesn't take more than a second to block, hence saving your cooking gas by at least 15 to 20%. If you suspect any blockage in the pipes, or if your flame is questionable, weak, or not blazing at all, just set the magnet onto one of the holes on the Z Plus plug and gas flow will be enhanced. Installing the Magic Lock inside the hosepipe keeps your mind restful after you have left your home. Get this Magic Lock safety device and ensure your gas system security.